is next to the 72. So ladies and gentlemen, how many people think the best appearing car is car number 72? Okay, we have one finalist left. Are you ready? From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get ready to crumble! And the first hit is absorbed by that number 72, Chad Conley. Okay, it didn't take long for the bruising to start. The 70-58 is the shot. From Chad Conley. Look at the 13. Mr. Shannon Joyce just gets hammered by the 8 of Michael Santamarco. So the car's kind of hemmed in that area. Here comes the 187. Oh, air ball. Good hit by the 40 of Tim DiNamizio. Michael Saldivarco and car number 8. Here comes the 72. He went into the next time zone. The 44, Kevin Weiler. What planet is he on? Well, whoever is waiting for that taxi is going to have a long wait. Here comes the 40. Tim DiNamizio. He got 2 for the price of 1 that time. He hit the 72, then hit the 73. Well, I think that smiling face on the 13 might be a bullseye. Here it goes. Up against the barrier is Chad Conley. Oh, what a hit. He almost went overboard. Shannon Joyce. Shannon Joyce, the people's choice. And here is Tim. Destruction. DiNamizio. The 187 is still involved. Alfonso Campagna. Here comes Saldivarco on the nose in that 13. That was a facial, wasn't it? A broken nose on that 13 car, but it bounces back, and now it wants to retaliate. Shannon Joyce. Good hit on the 72 of Chad Conley. Here comes the 40. DiNamizio. Oh, that was just a smooth. That was just a rope tap. Okay, more violence is to come. Here comes the 187. Oh, and he jackhammered the 13 of Shannon Joyce. Okay, we have the 758 out. The 44 is out. The 73 is on the verge of being counted out as it is stuck in its own bumper. Oh, and what a menacing hit by Campagna. So we still have 6 of our 8. Uh-oh, getting caught against the barrier. That's what's known as getting caught between a rock and a hard place. Campagna administers a hit. And the 13, the mean one, Shannon Joyce. Tries to pull off the 187 out of the arena. Dave McIntosh ready to do some squashing. Here comes the 40. The 13 is still alive. These cars don't want to die. Whoa, look at the 13. A vicious hit by Michael Saldivarco from Wallingford. And look at that, that almost went airborne. Tim DiNamizio, he almost needed a stewardess on that car as he went up into air traffic control country. We have 5 left. 5 out of the 8 are still going. Unbelievable. Here's a 13. Almost lifted Chad Conley into orbit. Here comes Saldivarco trying to line up the 72. But we have seen better. And that was a good hit from the 13 of Shannon Joyce. So now we might have 4 left. It looks like the 72. The buzzers are flying over that vehicle and Chad Conley. And we're down to the final 4. Oh, air ball. 4 left. Which one do you like? Good hit by Joyce. Sal DeMarco. Somehow that car is going. It looks like a crumpled up wad of paper, doesn't it? But it is still moving. It is moving after Joyce. Now it hits McIntosh. Here comes Shannon the Cannon. And that was just a one tap. Let's see if we can have a back attack from Dave McIntosh in car number 73. Now mayhem by Sal DeMarco. False alarm. And a good front end hit by Shannon Joyce. And another, this time from the rear. Sal DeMarco, how is that car still moving? You can call the people in the motorsports capital of the world. Nobody could believe this. That these cars, after pounding each other for about 15 minutes, we have 3 still left running. Now, Shannon trying to put the 8 out of his misery. And Sal DeMarco comes back for more. One of the best demolition derbies we have ever had here at the Speedbowl. Uh-oh, we could have a back attack. No, not that time. Remember, the last one standing will be the winner. Whoever manufactured these cars should qualify for the Nobel Prize. What a hit by Shannon Joyce. Can McIntosh move? Yes, he does. So we're ready for one more back attack. And Joyce is so hungry, he's hitting one that's already out of the competition. So the wipers are on in a 73 car, which can be one thing. He knows a storm cloud is on its way. It looks like Sal DeMarco is out. We are down to our final 2. How many like Dave McIntosh? How many people are rooting for Shannon Joyce? So Shannon Joyce is the people's choice. Here he comes. Not that time. McIntosh. Looking for a piece of that apple-colored car of Shannon Joyce. They dance. This isn't Dancing with the Stars, though. It's Crashing with the Cars. Now it looks like they're locked together. Joyce gets away. Who can land the last haymaker? Here comes McIntosh, trying to get position. Hopefully, none of those parts will puncture his tires. He's trying to puncture the 13 car. Here comes Shannon. Not this time. But like a dark cloud, we know we're going to see a storm in a few moments. Here comes Shannon Joyce. Down to the final 2.
Tires is
Who will administer the fatal blow? The knockout punch. The paralyzer. Well, flat tire looks like for Joyce. So the sparks are flying. Here comes McIntosh.
too bad.
Not that great a hit, but maybe he is capable of one last back attack. He has already won Best Appearing Car. Can he win the Demolition Derby? He is lining him up. Here he comes. Right now, both of these guys are spinning their wheels.
Calling Shannon out.